NZDUSD and GBPUSD currently getting volatile as there is a high impact news coming in just a matter of couple of hours. So we can see that NZDUSD after back to back two strong liquidity candle formation, as expected, this instrument started to bounce back to the upside. So let's see where we can find our next opportunity. We will be looking at first of all NZDUSD from the higher time frame perspective, and then we'll also come back to the GBP USD. Now, looking at the monthly chart after the previous monthly bearish candle, this month we can see that NZD USD after breaking the monthly low had a strong bounce towards the upside. Now, after this bounce, what we can see that currently the price is moving back to the upside, and I think that the price ultimately may continue to rise to this monthly resistance level. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see previous week also very strong bullish middleman, and after this middleman this week we can see the market started to again bounce back to the upside. If we closely look at, we can see there is a weekly gap open, and what I think that as the market managed to bounce from this significant support, we could see that it's going back to the resistance level where this move has started, and we might see an equal high or even a higher high formation. From the weekly perspective, we can push that resistance level a little bit to the upside. Now, dropping down to the daily, previous day a textbook bullish engulfer that has crossed the low, crossed the high, and also closed passing the previous narrow red candles, giving a very high probability for NZDUSD to remain bullish. And as an important liquidity zone, we can expect for the market to keep pushing high on the lower time frame. Dropping down to the 4 hour, we can see that there were back to back two bullish liquidity candle formation, and both of them has given a strong momentum on NZDUSD, and currently the market is breaking out, and we can expect it to move back to this resistance level where you can see this is a very important zone. And with this multiple long week candle formation, this instrument started to bounce, and I think that the price may continue to rise to the resistance line. So any pullback on this instrument, potentially a lower time frame consolidation, can give further entry opportunity on NZDUSD. So as soon as we will find suitable entry according to the rules of our strategies, we will be looking for going long in this instrument. Now let's look at GBPUSD, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly as well on GBPUSD, we can see that this month the market has dropped to that support level, and then we have seen that there is a strong rejection from this support, giving a high probability for British pound US dollar to go ahead and fill that monthly long week. Looking at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly, from this support level, there is a strong bounce towards the upside on British pound US dollar. There is a big move followed by this correction, and we can see the market is trending with a series of higher high and higher low formation. Now, dropping down to the daily chart, what we can see that from the daily, there was a daily drop, and probably you guys have seen that previous analysis that we expected British pound US dollar to drop to that support, and the price has done that exactly. I'll link below this video for that analysis also, you can look at. And what we can see currently after doji formation from this support level, the market managed to break to the upside and expecting British pound US dollar to remain bullish to create a new higher high. Now dropping down to the lower time frame on GBPUSD as well, we can see that the market after this bounce, multiple liquidity candle formation as well, and with that multiple liquidity candle formation here with this doji, the market managed to bounce, and we can see that the price is pushing high, and any pullback in this instrument expected as a Asian session coming later. We can expect for the market to come down for a deeper pullback, and as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity on the lower time frame, we will be looking for going long on British pound US dollar with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this free analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also join the free Telegram channel for more education and trade ideas like this. With that said, thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.